Hi, crafty friends. Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today, I am unboxing the March main kit from My Creative Scrapbook. Now, if you're not already a subscriber to this kit, I'll leave a link listed down below in the description box, and be sure to mention my name when you subscribe because My Creative Scrapbook will send you a free gift. All right, let's look at the kit. It is absolutely gorgeous this month. It says Hello Spring all over it. There's several different collections here, so I want to start by setting the ephemera to the side, and we'll start with the paper first, and I think that that's really going to tell the story of what's included in this kit. So we have lots of embellishments and a stencil and a cut file. I'm going to save that and look at that in a moment. I am going to show you the cut file. So each month, My Creative Scrapbook includes a pre-cut cut file with the kit each month, and this one says Spring Fun. You also get a sheet that gives you a code where you can go online and download any of their cut files they've ever had, so that's always nice. This first sheet is actually from P13. I love P13 papers. I think they're gorgeous, and so we get a sheet here, and you can see on the back it's got pink with like some writing. It's real faint, but it's super gorgeous. Then we also receive a sticker sheet, a full sticker sheet, and this is from Echo Park, the In Full Bloom collection. In fact, most of the papers included in this kit are from Echo Park In Full Bloom. But you can see here there's lots of sentiments and florals and just all things spring. I love that there's some border stickers on the bottom there too. So here's the first pattern paper. Lots of different florals here, super pretty. And then on the back, we've got this light blue, like polka dot design. So very usable. We have a 3x4 cut apart sheet with different sentiments about spring. And then I love on the back that if you don't want to use those sentiments, you've got a nice pink stripe. Here is an umbrella pattern paper. That's super cute. I definitely want to use that paper. And then on the back though, there's some leaves. So that's always fun to work with. And then we have this sheet that's all different bumblebees with like a light blue background. And you flip it over, you've got a nice yellow stripe. Here's some more cut aparts in several different sizes with different spring sayings like "You make my heart bloom." So super pretty. And then on the back, we've got a light pink with some florals. Here is another floral design, and then on the back we've got like a brighter pink with some like little dots in different arrangements there. Here's a sheet with some florals and some butterflies, a blue stripe. Here is a cut apart sheet. These look like 4x4 cut apart sheets, different spring sentiments. And then we've got this design on the back. Here's another rain boots. That is so cute. I love that. And then on the back, we've got like a yellow polka dot here. And then this pattern paper, we have some sunshines. And then on the back, we've got blue with like little dashes. And then we've got a 4x6 cut apart sheet here. And a light pink pattern on the back. And then this floral design here. And then pink on the back. So you can see this month we get lots of pattern paper. I think this is more than we usually get. And then we get these Simple Stories foam stickers from Tea Garden, like Bloom and Grow, One Fine Day, Hello Spring, Smell the Flowers, Life in Full Bloom, Isn't Life So Lovely, Fresh Air and Blue Skies, and Smile. And you can see how this Simple Stories Tea Garden collection really works well with the pattern papers that are included in the kit this month. And then we also get this chipboard accent, and this is the Echo Park In Full Bloom collection. So this is the one that's meant to go with it, I guess, but it really, they all match so well. And then we get, I'm not going to open these up, but we get all of the frames and tags from the In Full Bloom collection. So there's lots of different little sentiments and tags and journaling spots in here. And then we get a stencil. This to me looks like a Vicky Bouton stencil maybe. It's not labeled, but there's that really pretty floral design. And then we get a full pack of the Simple Stories Bits and Pieces Tea Garden. And I will open this up just so you can get a look at what's inside. I'll flip through here. There's a lot of little bitty pieces in here, so it'd be great for like scene building. I always love when there's florals in the bits and pieces. There's 67 cardstock die cut ephemera bits and pieces in this little pack. And I want to mention that this is the main kit from My Creative Scrapbook, but they also have a limited edition kit, which to me is more like a vintage style. Then they have an album kit and a creative kit. So be sure to check out the website. And I'm sure that there's going to be a kit that is perfect for your scrapbooking needs. I think that My Creative Scrapbook always has like the latest and greatest on-trend styles, and they're themed appropriately for the season. So like this one is spring, perfect for documenting all your spring memories. And they are just loaded with products. So I used to say that, I used to love like all the close to my heart kits that came out monthly. And when they closed, the My Creative Scrapbook kits has really filled that void for me. I love that these kits come with everything that you need to create multiple scrapbook layouts. I always create at least 4. Sometimes I also create some cards with them, but there's so much included. You could definitely do way more than the 4 that I do. There's so much left over. And you saw this month, we get tons of pattern paper. So if I don't have enough photos to document for spring, which that's one of my favorite seasons, I can't imagine that, but if so, I can always use the extras for cards. So I'm going to dump these little pieces out here. And yeah, so lots and lots of stuff included. So if you've enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. And if you don't already follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, I would love for you to follow me on those platforms as well. Don't forget to check out the My Creative Scrapbook Inspiration Facebook page, where it's a community where all of us share our designs, design team members, and club members. So be sure to check that out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!